I'm in the back of my vehicle here. I might as well show you what's with me at all times. So I've got a jacket, nice clean jacket. Sorry, nice warm jacket I meant. Umbrella, tie straps. Chuck everything in the back of that seat all night. This is my oh, see, I forgot I had this. This is my cooking utensil slash herbs and spices thing where I usually hang this off my car. So, if I'm lucky, I've got a tea towel. Oh my god, there's the olive oil. Utensils, olive oil, salt and pepper, salt and pepper. No cleaning sponge, but I will use that towel. Oh, matches, chicken stock, parsley. I surprise myself all the time with the gear I've got stashed away. So that's in there. Sleeping bag. These shoes where you can, it's good for, when you're walking through rivers and slippery rocks and stuff like that. Toolbox, reel, because my fishing rod broke, rope, more rope and tent stakes. Right there is my, so I'm not even drunk, guys. Air compressor and jumper cables. And in here, in each one of these, I'm surprising myself with what I've got in here. Hold on, am I getting this on camera? Can you see? Let's get away from the sun a bit. That's even worse. Alright. So in here, I've got tuna, 2 cans of tuna. I've got about 6 bags of rice, mixed herbs, basil. I've got everything in there, so that's cool. I forgot all that was in there. But what I'm really looking for is a cleaning sponge. Fishing kit, forgot I have that in there. Gloves, some more straps, Oki straps, a little thing to cook in, but no sponge. That's alright. Set him up. Well, that's what's in there, so I've got this, I'll start cleaning up.